welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for appreciating my Paris Part 1 video. I'm glad to get such a good response from all of you. Thank you so much. So today, I'm bringing the next part of this video and hope you will like it as well. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Day 2 started with a photo shoot. From here, the Eiffel Tower looks amazingly beautiful. Even though the weather is not very good, but you can't go without taking beautiful pictures from this place. Now it's time to go to our next destination, Arc de Triomphe. If you are wondering what I am doing in the middle of the street, let me tell you. It's a clicking spot, guys. Cool, yeah? Now it's time to take a good look around the city. Finally, world's largest art museum and a historic monument in Paris, the Louvre. Let's go inside. And now I'm going to see the world's most famous painting, Mona Lisa. Here she is. Louvre is a maze of multiple floors and art galleries of French masterpieces. It can take months to see the whole museum. Visiting the Louvre Museum is an incredible experience, especially at night. On a dry night, It is absolutely a worthwhile outing. The rainy third day started with a nice breakfast. Rue Cremio is one block street which is quite famous for its painted house fronts. And coincidentally, it's a block right next to our hotel. After exploring the city, now it's time for shopping. Moulin Rouge, the famous cabaret house in Paris. We couldn't enjoy the show as there were no online tickets. So what? Taking pictures from the outside and blowing hair in slow motion is a different level of fun. What say? So finally the time has come when we have to say goodbye to Paris for now. But how can I go back without seeing the golden Eiffel Tower again? And it's time to say goodbye to you all too. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. See you guys in my next video. Till then, be happy, be healthy and dazzle.